dish is looking wonderful. Oh my God, this taco, I don't know what to tell you. I wish you guys can try it. Ooh, it looks really, really good. Hello beautiful people! If you want to discover great restaurants around the world, or you want to learn expert beautiful cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's start by making this beautiful beef taco. So, at first, we are going to need braised beef cheeks, and I am going to teach you how to make it, just give me a bit. Masa tortilla, as well, I am going to teach you how to make it, just be a little bit more patient. Fine chimichurri, pickled onions, queso fresco. You can use any white cheese if you want. For the masa, it's very easy. We are going to need masa and water. What is masa? Masa is a corn flour. Third, for the braised beef cheeks, and this is all the secret, diced carrots, garlic, celery, leeks, onions, veal jus, beef cheeks, and salt. And that's it. And finally, the guacamole. You can find the recipe link in my description below. Let's start by making magic. For the masa, it's very simple. We're gonna add the masa, a bit of salt, we're gonna add water, we're gonna mix them very well and form it into a ball. That's very simple and very basic, and I'm sure everyone can do it. We're gonna cut it into 3 equal parts. And it's gonna be 30 grams each. We are gonna need a tortilladera. So, at first, we're gonna get a nylon paper, add the dough on the top, another nylon, close it again, and voila, it's done. Then we're gonna place them on a flat grill. That's easy. For the beef cheeks, in a container, we are gonna add all the vegetables, diced carrots, garlic, celery, leeks, diced onions, we're gonna add the beef cheeks on the top, some veal chew and some salt. We're gonna cover it with aluminum foil, and boom, we're gonna add in the convection oven for 2 hours on 160 degrees Celsius. Oh my God, this dish is almost finished. Let's plate the dish. So we're gonna have the corn tortillas on a plate. We're gonna add the guacamole, the braised beef cheeks. Oh my God, you see how soft they are, and this is exactly what we need. The fine chimichurri, it has to be fine, and honestly, it's gonna give it a lot of beautiful tanginess. Oh my God, this dish is looking absolutely beautiful. Queso fresco, also it's gonna be beautiful. Pickled onions, a bit of color. It's gonna be more authentic and very original. And we're gonna finalize it with a lime wedge on the side. This dish is looking wonderful. Oh my God, this taco, I don't know what to tell you. I wish you guys can try it. Oh, it looks really, really good. That is outstanding and beautiful. Anyways, what's really nice about it is by adding this guacamole, and the beef is extremely soft, and added a bit of tanginess on the top with the chimichurri, with the pickled onions and the queso fresco on the top. I don't know what to tell you anymore. Anyways, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to see more recipes similar to that, do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you very soon with another vlog or another new recipe, or discovering a new restaurant. Ciao!